Alright, well, I was just on Twitter and was informed that it's Star Wars Day. I didn't know there was a Star Wars Day. So, I'm going to look up and research what the hell Star Wars Day is all about. Let's see what we got here. Star Wars Day. Star Wars Day is May 4th because of the play on words or pun based on the similarity between May 4th be with you and May the Force be with you. Oh my god, that's the lamest crap I've ever heard. Oh god. Oh my goodness. May the 4th be with you. Where are we going, kids?
To Mama.
What are we gonna get?
Clone Wars toys. Clone Wars toys.
Clone Wars toys.
Uh-huh.
Star Wars Day?
Yes. Want to do that? Yes.
Star Wars. May the 4th be with you. Lame. Excuse for us to go to Walmart and buy a toy. There's what we came for.
Where
Star Wars toys.
Where's the girl?
Huh?
Oh, there's the girl. One over there.
Where?
On top was the boy.
This one? Yeah, there's one. The girl in it.
Yeah.
Here's one with the girl.
I want that one.
You come, which one do you want? Put your dinosaurs down. This is Star Wars Day, not Dinosaur Day.
You want this one? Oh.
What do you want? What do you want?
Sure.
What do you want, Yukon?
Daddy, he'll like that.
You think he'll like that?
Yeah, he likes it.
Yeah, that looks like a good toy for kids. This looks really badass,
What?
but it doesn't look this badass. Ainsley, what's today?
Clone Wars Day!
What's that panting you hear? It's me, my first day of biking. It's not quite as much fun as I remember when I was a kid, but my fat ass has got to get in shape. So, this is the first step, and it gives me a good reason to jam out to my Bon Jovi music and Michael Jackson, so can't beat that. Right now I'm hauling ass one-handed, and I'm kind of nervous. You know when you take that road, you're going along and you're like, man, this ain't that bad. And then you take a right and decide to go an extra distance instead of just going the distance you thought of in the first place. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Why the hell did I turn instead of just going back to where I was going from? Done with the bike ride. I'm literally about to have a heart attack. My ass is chapped from this hard factory seat, and it's so evident how overweight I am. But I did it. I rode too far, and hopefully I will be not panting as much next time.